Summer. I want to show you guys one of my favorite games, which is Uno. It is a really fun game. It could be either a really quick game or a long one. The object of the game is to have no cards left over, and you have to match each color card or the number card in order to make a good set. So let's get going. I'm going to play against 3 other people just to make it more fun. So welcome match cards by color or number to get rid of them. And action cards will mix the game up. There's one that you can throw that's +2, so the next player would have to draw 2 cards, making their pile bigger. There's draw 4, which makes it even bigger. There is the reverse, which changes the order. And there is also the card that you can make the next person skip their turn. So let's get going. This game takes a lot of strategy, it takes a lot of patience, and it also requires you to really understand what the other players are thinking. So, since they skipped player 4, that's player 4, it is now my turn. I kind of want to give player 2 more cards. So now they have 2 more cards. Their pile is bigger. Player 3 is giving the other player 4 cards. And this is a marking to see what color is in play. So right now red's in play. I can play that 5. Easy peasy. And this person's giving them 2 more. So since even though I don't have a 2, I still have a 1 in red, so I can still play that. Oh, player 3 is skipping their turn. I don't have any more red, but I have another skip turn, so that still requires. Now the card to play is yellow. And I don't get to play because I reversed the order. Oh, and they did it again. Oh man, this is a reverse order game here. Lucy gave him 2. And now it's my turn. It's blue. And here comes the most important part that might be coming up. Since the playing game is red, I have to draw a card. I don't have a red or a card that matched that. So they hit Uno. You hit this button in order to get Uno. You only hit Uno when you have 1 card left. And oh no! He won because he only had 1 card left. So that is a game of Uno. It is super fun. It's really fun to play with your friends and family. You can also play on Poke.com, which is a really great website. And I'll put this up on the link onto the classroom. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial, and we'll be putting up another game very soon. Have a wonderful day, guys.